Well, it's been 3 days since I put this swarm trap out. Put it out Friday, it's Monday morning, and here they are. It's April the 30th, 2012. I've been seeing them, checking it out for the past couple of days, and they finally moving in. If I can get it, I can't hardly see for the sun. There we are. Looks like a pretty good swarm too. Wish I could see. The sun's right in my eyes. I think I'm getting it. Anyway, this is my first swarm trap, and like I said, it's been just 3 days. These are amazing creatures. I don't know how well you can see them. They're all over the place. They sure are piling onto that trap. They must have liked it, because it had some old comb in there, and I had used some lemongrass oil that I'd heard about. It sure works, because here they are. They didn't come from one of my hives. They come across the field, so I knew they didn't come out of my hive. That's a good thing. These are a whole different swarm of bees. Unless they come out in years past and just decide to come back as another swarm. See if I can key in on them funneling in there. There they go. They're going right in that hole. There's about 1.5 inch hole on that upper right corner. And they're just funneling right in there. Well, I wish I could stand here and watch them longer. I've got some work I got to do. I just went into the kitchen and the water's all over the floor. The hot water heater has sprung a leak or something. I got to go in there and check it out. I did cut off the water, but I grabbed my camera and wanted to film some of this first. Anyway, talk to y'all later.